Orge 6. Since this looks like a good home that won't take them 7 years and nobody was to go back to sleep after the deaths anyway, Orm decides they'll land there. Daniels talks to him in private to express her worries over visiting a place they know nothing about and sent a creepy transmission, but Orm doesn't see the issue and keeps his decision. When they reach the planet a few days later, Tennessee, Rix, and Upworth stay on board the Covenant in orbit while the rest of the crew heads to the surface in a shuttle. Going through a stormy atmosphere makes the whole shuttle shake and lose contact with the Covenant, but luckily they go through in one piece and land safely. Maggie stays in the shuttle to work on getting in contact with the Covenant again while the others left to explore the land. The world they find is full of rich vegetation and breathable air, yet somehow they can't see or hear a single sign of animal life. They're also surprised there's actual wheat growing in here, which was old but definitely cultivated by someone. As they explore, Karina decides to stop to take some samples and Ledward stays with her to protect her. While Karina works, Ledward takes a cigarette break and accidentally steps on some small pods, causing tiny bacteria to enter his ear unnoticed. Meanwhile, the team goes further and finds a bunch of crushed trees, making them wonder what could be so big to cause such damage. Further away, they find a huge crashed engineer ship, so they enter it to find answers. It's very dark inside and Hallett comes across more of those small pods, so he ends up accidentally breathing the bacteria as well. The team keeps going and finds creepy statues representing some alien race, plus the military tags and a picture that belonged to Dr. Shaw from the missing ship Prometheus. Further inside, they accidentally touch a sphere that activates the ship's main system, revealing this is where the transmission they heard comes from. Suddenly Ledward starts feeling sick. At first he thinks it's just a headache, but he quickly begins getting worse by the second, and Karina informs the others that they're heading back. The team decides to follow her example, and at that moment, Hallett begins feeling sick too. Karina drags Ledward back to the shuttle and he accidentally throws up blood on her. Maggie helps her take Ledward to the medbay, and when she takes off his clothes, a wound explodes on his back and sprays blood on her face too. Terrified this may be contagious, Maggie leaves and locks the door. At the same time Ledward begins having a seizure.